He didn't move. He was unresponsive. Train is your security guy.
Ready to roll?
Ready. Roll. Clear. Hey, on a quick side note, keep searching them. Keep searching them. Do your thing. Hey, real world, when you guys get to the field problem, if there's 2 or 3 POWs, one security guy, once I know that guy's dead and he's been rolled and cleared, I might then go with the next searcher to roll and clear that guy. Once he's rolled and cleared, I might go to the 3rd POW. Get the security guy roll and clear. That way you don't have 6 people trying to search. You got 4 people off the line searching. So, just a little technique. You can use it. You cannot use it. It's up to you guys. But for all practical purposes, there's no real purpose in the security guy sitting here anymore, assuming that we know he's dead at this point. Now, if you got time and there's only 1 POW, yeah, I would always leave my security in place because that's just the way I like to take care of my people. Unless they're captains, then I let them fend for themselves. But my people, I take care of.
So, whatever I found was over there in his hat.
Yeah.
So, now we're rolling over.
Alright. Well, go ahead and roll him.
Hey, was that Wayne that just called you? So,
Give him the full round.
Full mount? Alright.
Ha.
Finish it off.
And all of a sudden he came back alive and he gets out because you don't have a full mount.
What?
He just got kicked in the balls and didn't say anything.
Hey!
He's got 4 bullets.
Alright. So,
Okay, don't have that's it, right?
Now, how would you mark
Don't
him?
have a full mount. We got caught full mount. We got shot full mount.
either one of the little tags on his arm or something, or some shit on his head.
no, not for this guy. We don't need to tag him. We're not taking him anywhere.
He was just
Okay.
What do we got? What do we got going on?
His shirt.
His stuff?
His
I like
shirt.
the shirt. Let's go with this shirt. Let's go with this shirt. And I see what the captain's trying to say. Yeah, I like to put that other knee on the ground so I'm more balanced. But if you feel balanced like that, go for it.
Do you pull the shirt up all the way? Or?
Yep. Don't break his glasses. Let me throw that out there. All right, everyone heard me say
And in
that?
this shirt thing, that's just one way of marking the casualty. When you get with your
That's
unit, they may have a different SOP.
All right, good.
Where they gonna mark the casualty. Alright. Oh, you said he helped him.
That's a team.
Good example, Carl.